Welcome back to Aries Communication. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting tech innovations from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy XR headset. This device marks Samsung's big step into the world of extended reality, combining virtual, augmented, and mixed reality into one powerful headset. The Galaxy XR features a stunning dual micro-OLED display with a resolution of 3552 by 3840 per eye, delivering incredible clarity and color accuracy. With a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a wide field of view, the visual experience feels natural, fluid, and deeply immersive. Whether you're working in virtual spaces, watching 3D content, or playing immersive games, everything looks impressively lifelike. Powering the Galaxy XR is the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset paired with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This hardware setup allows smooth performance even under heavy workloads, multitasking between multiple virtual screens and apps without lag. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring a stable and fast wireless experience. The Galaxy XR also includes Samsung's collaboration with Google and Qualcomm, introducing the Android XR platform. This gives you access to apps, productivity tools, and immersive entertainment built specifically for spatial computing. You can join meetings, design 3D projects, or simply watch content in a giant virtual theater. Battery life lasts around 2 to 2.5 hours on a single charge, depending on your activity. The detachable battery pack allows quick swapping, which is great for longer work or play sessions. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy XR is a massive leap forward in wearable technology. It's not just about virtual reality, it's about merging the digital world with your real surroundings in a seamless way. High-resolution visuals, powerful performance, and smart design make it one of the most advanced headsets on the market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.